Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Volkswagen Jetta door panel. First, gather your tools. You will need a T20 and a T30 torque screwdriver, along with a flathead screwdriver and a set of plastic trim removal tools. These specialized tools are crucial for preventing scratches or damage to your vehicle's interior. Having the right equipment makes the entire process much smoother and helps avoid any unnecessary frustration. Next, we will begin by carefully removing the window switch panel. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry up the rear edge of the switch panel. Once it is loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. Behind this panel, you will find one T30 torque screw. Remove it. Take your time with these steps to avoid damaging any delicate plastic components or wiring harnesses. Now, let's find the remaining fasteners. There is typically one T20 torque screw at the bottom edge of the door panel. Some models may also have a T30 torque screw hidden behind a small cover near the door handle or armrest. After removing all screws, use your plastic pry tool to carefully work your way around the edges of the door panel, gently popping the plastic clips free from the door frame. There are usually about 6 to 8 clips. With all clips released, lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the window seal. Be mindful of the door handle cable and any remaining electrical connectors for speakers or door modules. Carefully disconnect these by unhooking the cable and pressing the release tabs on the connectors. Once fully detached, inspect the panel and door frame for any broken clips. Replacing these ensures a secure reinstallation of your door panel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.